Welcome students. This is the continuation of atomic structure chapter. In the previous class we have learnt about the subatomic particles. Now we are going to learn about valency. Valency. What is valency? For example, when we shake hands with others, we can either shake hand with one person using one hand or shake hand with two persons using both our hands. If we have more hands, we can shake hands with more persons. In the same manner, atoms can share either one electron or two or three or four electrons, and some cannot share any electron. This property is called valency. So what is valency? Valency is the combining property of an atom is called as valency. Here atoms can share their electrons with other atoms. So valency is a combining property of an atom. It is a measure of how many hydrogen atoms it can combine with. For example, oxygen can combine with two hydrogen atoms and create water molecule. So we know that what is the formula for water? H2O. So two hydrogen and one oxygen. So here one oxygen atom can combine with two hydrogen atoms and create water molecule. So the valency of oxygen atom is 2 because it combined with two hydrogen atoms. In case of chlorine, it can combine with only one hydrogen to create hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. So in this molecule, chlorine can combine with only one hydrogen atom. So the valency of chlorine is 1 because the combining capacity of chlorine is 1. So the valency of chlorine is 1. Then another example, methane has one carbon atom combining with 4 hydrogen atoms to form carbon molecule is methane. So what is the chemical formula for methane? CH4. So C is carbon, then H is hydrogen. So here one carbon atom combining with 4 hydrogen atom to form methane molecule. So what is the valency of carbon? 4 because it can combine with 4 hydrogen atom. So atoms of different elements combine with each other to form molecules. Valency determines the number of atoms of an element that combines with atom or atoms of another type. So what is valency? Valency is defined as the combining capacity of an element. Atoms of different elements combine with each other to form molecules. We know what are molecules. Molecules are the combination of different elements. So valency determines the number of atoms of an element that combines with atom or atoms of another type. So the element next one is monovalent, divalent, trivalent. So what is monovalent? The element having valency 1 is called monovalent. So the element having valency 1. For example, hydrogen and sodium. So in the case of water molecule, the valency of oxygen is 2, but the valency of hydrogen is 1 because it can combine with one oxygen atom. So Example for monovalent atoms are hydrogen and sodium, because these elements having valency 1. The valency of hydrogen is 1. The valency of sodium is also 1. Next one is divalent. The elements having valency true are called divalent. So what is the meaning for di? That means 2. So for example, oxygen and beryllium. In the case of water molecule, we know that oxygen combined with 2 hydrogen atom. So the valency of oxygen atom is 2. So it is called as divalent atom, because oxygen having valency 2. So it is an example for divalent atom. So example, oxygen, beryllium are divalent because these elements having valency 2. Next one is trivalent. The elements having valency 3 are called trivalent. For example, nitrogen and aluminium. So these elements having valency 3, so they are called as trivalent element. Tri, that means 3. So monovalent, divalent and trivalent. Monovalent element having 1 valency, divalent elements having 2 valency, then trivalent having 3 valency 3. So some elements exhibits more than 1 valency. For example, iron combines with oxygen to form 2 types ferrous oxide. So exhibit valency 2, and ferric oxide exhibit valency 3. Here this iron has 2 valency. In ferrous oxide its valency is 2, then in ferric oxide its valency is 3. So see the table here. The element name, symbol, atomic number, mass number and their valency are given. For hydrogen, symbol is H, atomic number 1, mass number 1, valency is also 1. Then carbon, symbol is C, atomic number is 6, and mass number is 12, valency is 4. Then oxygen, O, symbol is O, atomic number 8, mass number 16, and the valency of oxygen is 2. Then for sodium, symbol is Na, atomic number is 11, mass number is 23, the valency is 1. Then for calcium, the symbol is Ca, atomic number is 20, mass number is 40, and the valency of calcium is 2. So here monovalent are hydrogen and sodium because they have 1 valency. Then divalent 2, that is oxygen and calcium. Students, hope you all understood about valency. So when atoms of different elements combine with each other, molecules of compounds are formed. It is necessary to know the valencies of those elements. Thank you.